Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your VIVO V60E isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly. In such case, let's set up a new fingerprint model on this device and let's try to do it better this time. To do so, go to Settings, then go to Security and Privacy, and basically, before everything else, remove the protective case from your device so that it doesn't interfere with the fingerprint enrollment process. We don't need it right now, so just take it off and then go to Device Unlocking, go to Fingerprints. If you have any previously added fingerprints on your device, remove them by clicking the trash can icon, then click Delete. And now, before you select Add Fingerprints, let's wipe the surface of the device's display, especially the area where the fingerprint sensor is located. And if you do not succeed this time, then remove the screen protector from your device. Sometimes they interfere with fingerprint recognition scanners and therefore make it unavailable for you to use fingerprint scanner. I highly recommend replacing your current screen protector with the original VIVO screen protector, as they are the most compatible ones. Okay, so now let's re-enter the phone. Let's go to Fingerprint, tap Enroll Now, and what you have to do now is simply start placing your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor. Press firmly with your finger for the best experience. Use different angles and different parts of your finger, like this. Then tap Done when you're done. And before we proceed with checking how we did, let's go back to Settings. Make sure that you have an internet connection on your phone, and in Settings select System Update and check if your device uses the last software version. And in case it doesn't, then of course take your time and install the latest version and let your device restart, and then check out how your fingerprint works this time. But if you do have the latest version, let's restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time and select Restart. And this way we will make sure that all the changes applied and everything works well. Okay, and now as a security measure, you're gonna have to enter your password manually before using your fingerprints. And now let's try to use our brand new setup fingerprints to unlock the phone. And as you can see, everything works well, practically seamlessly. No mistakes, no errors this time. And so I hope that everything works well for you too right now. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.